too much to say about these 2 episodes. I thoroughly enjoyed them. और मैंने इनको 2 दफ़ा देखा और दूसरी दफ़ा उतना ही enjoy किया. 2-3 things. Marriage consummation, the other girl, उनके साथ जो हो रहा है, उसकी जो 2 opposite क्या कहते हैं behavior patterns. I thought that was so beautifully shown. Talking about cybercrime and उसका जो एक उसके अंदर जो एक दर्द है, not for himself and her only, but for so many people whose lives probably have been absolutely ruined and shattered. A scene at the beach and everything was just so well done. Of course, there's so much to say. I've got 4 pages full of, because प्रॉब्लम ये होती है ना कि जब एक एपिसोड अच्छा होता है तो हर सीन में आपको कोई बात नज़र आती है जो आप कहते हैं इसको लिख लो, ये लिख लो, और फिर मुझे पूरा लिखना होता है बिकॉज मुझे याद नहीं रहता. बट फॉर मी इट वाज ऑब्वियसली 2 thumbs. You haven't understood the underlying currents and the nuances and what is being said. So I think that was the beauty of these 2 episodes. कि एक तरफ पे आपने दिखाया कि इन दोनों का जो क्या कहते हैं प्यार और जो मोहब्बत है वो finally has come together. That scene was so beautifully shot. It was so well done, and it wasn't just a scene which was अंसा और अनस की बात कर रही हूँ, जो वो अगेंस्ट लाइट जो सिलुएट में जो शूट हुआ था, and that last shot where she just puts her head on his, I mean that said it all. And it wasn't like वो उसके मुंह से मोहब्बत के जुमले बरस रहे थे या ऐसे, but he was basically talking about the pain that these 2 have felt, but now they're not going to cry about it. Now is the time to take action. But उसकी फ्रस्ट्रेशन डबल है. क्यों? बिकॉज उसको पता है किसने किया है. आई थॉट दैट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल. वही सेज मेरा जी चाहता है मैं उसका सर तोड़ दूँ, और उसको पता है वो किसकी बात कर रहा है. बट देन एक साइड पे देयर इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल थिंग हैपनिंग, ऑन द अदर साइड मुझे तो लगा कि दिस गर्ल इज गोइंग टू बी मोलेस्टेड. मुझे बिल्कुल मेरे माइंड में था कि
तो हुई है,
नहीं हरास तो वो टची फीली तो हो गया, लेकिन फिर भी वो भी थोड़ा सा बैक ऑफ कर रहा है. अदरवाइज ही डिडंट हैव टू, ही वाज अलोन विथ हर बट आई वाज क्वाइट श्योर, आई थॉट 100% देयर इज गोइंग टू बी दिस कॉन्ट्रास्ट कि here there is this beautiful scene of consummation, and then here there's this scene where there is violence in the relationship. But I think the director, the writer has इसमें जुमले भी बहुत बोल्ड थे. बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो मैंने शायद नहीं सुनी. क्या कहते हैं ऑन स्क्रीन.
ऐसा क्या था?
मीनिंग जब वो माँ और बेटी बात कर रहे होते हैं ना, वो माँ कहती है ना कि अभी तुम्हारी सिर्फ मंगनी हुई थी, अम्मी आप कहाँ तक पहुँच गई. So that basically means that you're thinking that I'm going to go and sleep with him. That's what she's saying. So I've not heard these jumlas on, and there were other jumlas also which had these, but it was not crossing the line. आप uncomfortable मैं कहीं भी नहीं थी. There was never a moment where I said, oh cringe, or I'd say, oh this. Beautifully said, beautifully done, beautifully performed. In fact, मुझे वो सीन बहुत मज़े का लगा जब वो अपनी माँ को बताती है कि वो हमारी रिलेशनशिप की एक नई शुरुआत है, तो हम सनसेट एक साथ देखना चाहते. तो अम्मा कहती हैं उसके माइंड में कि what the hell are you talking about? What sunrise? Sorry, sunrise. तो वो कहती है I love summers. What the hell are you talking about? What शुरुआत? What something? Which also shows the difference in a generation. But I thought it was so beautifully done. The scene जिसमें वो थप्पड़ मारता है उसको, वो भी इतना अच्छा था, जिसमें बहन भाई लड़ते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू नोटिस शेरीन जो है वो आके अनस पे गिरती है. दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी वेल कैप्चर्ड मोमेंट, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है ये सारे वो हैं foreshadowing है, आगे जाके कुछ इसका होगा शेरीन और अनस. आई एम थिंकिंग दैट बिकॉज इसको ऑलरेडी जो मुझे लग रहा है कि इसको ऑलरेडी जो रेड फ्लैग्स जो आप लोग कहते हैं वो आना शुरू हो गए. बिकॉज टची फीली तो ये हो रहा है, लेकिन आई थिंक शी इज़ सो इन्वॉल्व इन हर सेल्फ. जैसे वो कहती है ना कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, और उसको कहती है ना कि आई डिज़र्व दिस. ये जो सारा इंतज़ाम उसने किया हुआ है ना, in her mind she takes it in a positive, but yet either, as Atika says, she's holding back, and dangling the carrot, or she's getting a slight feel, because एक जगह कहती है कि I'm not enjoying this, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, कि when he's getting too touchy-feely with her. Then Haris, you were just so good. I don't understand why we're not seeing more of you on the screen. वो scene जिसमें ये आता है इसको लेने के लिए, उफ, I love the way वो कहता है कि अब इसको रोकने की, you know, like वो, it's just so, his performance, okay, there are 3 people who I think have a very unusual style of acting. One is for me Khushal, Ahad, and now Haris. You know, there's just something very different about the way they will say something, and you know, वो उसको stylize नहीं कर रहे, उसको एक, you know, he's just so good. It just flows out of him. You were amazing in these episodes. मुझे उसका ड्रेस इतना हसीन लगा वो जब जाती है the second time
अच्छा.
when she goes out with. I thought overdressed for that occasion, but oh my God, that dress, and she was killing it, absolutely killing it. So for me, I would say a 9 and a 9. I had so much fun watching these. I have certain issues which I'll quickly mention. जब अब्बा उठते हैं और balcony पे आते हैं, I think mother should have straight away taken him inside, because the front gate was right there. एक वो जगह, और the other thing was, there were 2 things. Let me just quickly see. And also when Shazia calls her when she is at the beach, वो conversation was a repeat of the conversation they'd had in the room. So that I felt was absolutely, कहाँ चली गई हो, घर में किसी को नहीं पता. अरे, they had this massive conversation before that where she says, I'm leaving. So these were the 1 or 2 things which I felt were not, meaning थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है स्टोरी में गड़बड़ की, लेकिन overall loved it. 9 and 9 for me.
9 and 9. उनके scenes काफी ज़्यादा थे.
So except for the fact that Faham, which is Rizwan
Jafri,
Rizwan beta, you can't dance. Except for the fact that you can't dance, I think you did a very good job of being this slightly creepy, slightly slimy person, जो अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है कि किसी भी तरीके से लड़की मेरे जाल में आ जाए, कि ब्लेम मुझ पे ना आए, कि मैं कहूँगी ये तो जो भी अगर होता है तो वो कंसेंट, it was with her consent. You're doing it very well, and I love इन दोनों का जो relationship है, it's such an on off, उसका रूठ जाना, उसको जो हम कह रहे हैं ना माइंड गेम्स जो होती हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है बाय वो कर दो, फिर आप सोचते हैं कि अच्छा वो तो नाराज़ हो गया, अब मैं कॉल करूँगी, अच्छा वो तो नाराज़ हो गया, अब मुझे कॉल करना चाहिए, ओह मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं किया. तो ये जो गेम खेल रहे हैं ना दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ, इट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस फ्रॉम हर साइड. उसकी साइड से इतना डेंजरस नहीं है, क्यों? बिकॉज वो लड़का है, ठीक है, बट इट इज़ डेंजरस फ्रॉम हर साइड. Because God forbid कुछ होता है तो
it's a very interesting, 2 narcissists are like dating each other, जो दोनों में narcissist tendencies हैं.
So and she, I think from, you know, like, oh my God, the choice of your clothes, the way you carry them is so. My favorite character, my favorite person right now, how should I put that? You know, someone who can slay any dress. Anywhere in the world.
Look at how fit she is.
No, but is Zendana.
Acha, okay, yes.
She
Zendana
is one woman who can wear anything and she looks stunning. I've never seen a figure like that. Cher used to be in her days. Also, after that, I think Zendana has been that one person who has been a killer. And I think this girl also carries her clothes so beautifully. Yeah, really, really. I mean, like, you know, when you have the figure, like, you know, your entire life you grow up thinking you're fat and you don't want to wear certain clothes. And मैंने कहा मैंने अपनी पूरी childhood, अपने जवानी, अपनी teenage years, my 20s, I totally wasted because I thought I was fat. And I wouldn't wear sleeveless, and I wouldn't wear this, and I wouldn't wear that, and I wouldn't wear this, and I missed out on that, you know. And now I can't because I am fat, and I wasn't at that time. But you wear your clothes so beautifully, maybe inappropriate for some of the scenes, but you wear them beautifully. But I love आप दोनों का जो relationship, and of course your and Haris relationship also, the way you as brother and sister, even though you love each other, जिस तरीके से आप लोग लड़ते हो बहुत अच्छा है. Her slight indication of Anas in her mind के वो जब उसको जाके लगती है, the way she looks at him, और फिर एकदम से उसको पीछे धक्का दे के कहती है ना कि दूर हटो, what are you trying to do? You know, like it's just so telling of your character. So for me, I will give both of them an 8 and an 8.